In this short clip, if we scan through it, we can see it's pretty wobbly, and I want it to look like it's on a tripod. So in Premiere, there's an effect called Warp Stabilizer. I'm going to drag that on and see how it works. Go to Effect Controls and see what it's doing. Looks like it's analyzing, and now it's going to try to stabilize. Let's take a look at it again. Her face may be stable, but it looks like she's in a room made of jello. So what can we do here? We can change around some of these settings, but Premiere just doesn't get it right. This is a case I would probably take it to After Effects. So I can do this, replace with After Effects composition. Here I can take the footage and stabilize the motion, and it will come straight back to Premiere using the stabilization techniques used in After Effects. We can see it's a lot better. And when I switch back to Premiere, it's replaced my video with the After Effects composition, and it looks so much better. And I can show you here quickly how to stabilize simple footage. Open After Effects, and with your footage selected, click Tracker and Stabilize Motion. Here, move the mouse until you see this cursor and drag it to a high contrast area. Like in this bookshelf, you see white on 3 sides and a black square at the top right. Then press the play button to analyze forward. It analyzes every single frame and draws out how much that's moving. Then I'll press Apply, click OK, and have the stabilized clip here. But because the camera is moving, the outside edges are visible. So in order to avoid this problem, I'm going to press S for scale and scale it up to 104. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when I scroll through it again, you don't see the edges, and the stabilization is done.